everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this very simple, easy yet effective shell border for all your granny blankets. If you love all things crochet and are passionate about the craft, then you have come to the right place. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my future crochet videos. All the information about the yarns I use, the pattern, and anything else I cover in this video is down in the description box below. So don't forget to click that Show More button to expand the box where you'll find everything you could possibly need down there. So let's jump in to how you make this very pretty shell border. For this shell border to work, you need to end your granny square blanket on an even numbered row. So no matter how large your blanket, you need to have an even number of rows. So once you've ensured that you've got an even number of rows, you want to be joining your border colour not in the corner, but in the next space just before your corner. So you want to join your yarn here. So you can join your yarn however you want to. I prefer to pop a slip knot on my hook and bring it to the front. And once you have your new colour or your border colour joined, you want to go ahead and chain one, which does not count as a stitch, and pop a single crochet into that very same space. If your slip knot has popped through to the front, don't worry, that gets hidden away when you weave your end in later. So you've got a single crochet in the space in between your granny clusters just before the corner. Now we're going to leap straight into doing our corner shell. So in your chain space of the corner of your blanket, we're going to place 9 double crochet stitches all into the same space. So a double crochet is yarn over, go into this space here, yarn over at the back, and bring that yarn through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, then yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. That's your first double crochet done. We need 8 more into this corner space. If you start running out of room, I've done 6 so far and I'm starting to run out of room, you can scooch these stitches around a little bit just to free up a bit more space. That's my 9th double crochet done. So your corner will have 9 double crochet stitches. Then into the next space in between your granny clusters, you're going to place a single crochet. Now in the next space between your clusters, when we work along the sides of the blankets, you want 7 double crochet. So we have 9 in the corner, we only want 7 on the side. So go straight into 7 double crochet in the next space in between the clusters. Once you have your 7 double crochet stitches, you want to go into the next space on the side and secure them down with a single crochet. So we're going to repeat this all the way along the side of your blanket. 7 double crochet stitches, followed by a single crochet to secure it down in the next space. 7 double crochet, single crochet, all the way along until you reach your corner space. Once you've completed the full side of your blanket, obviously you will have a lot more shells along the side than I have for this small sample. You'll be ending with a single crochet right next to your corner space here. In the corner space, you're going to leap straight into 9 double crochet stitches into this corner here. Once you've got your 9 double crochet, secure it down into the next space with a single crochet. So you repeat this all the way around your blanket. On the side sections, 7 double crochet, single crochet, 7 double crochet, single crochet. And when you get to your corner stitch, it is 9 double crochet and secured down with a single crochet stitch. So super simple, super elegant, and super easy. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the round. I'll speed up the footage a little bit. Don't forget, when you get back to your corner, you need 9 double crochet. Secure it down with the single crochet, and then carry on with the sides, with the shelves consisting of 7 double crochet. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this little square, and I'll meet you back here in just a moment to show you how to finish off. So this is my very last double crochet. I've gone all the way around, and to finish your border, you're going to slip stitch to this very first single crochet that you did right at the beginning of your border. So just pop a slip stitch in there. Cut yourself a generous tail for weaving in. Chain 1, pull it up, pull it out, pull it tight, and then you're ready to weave in those 2 ends here, and your border is complete. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please shout in the comments section below and I will do my best to get back to you. All the information for the yarn, the pattern, and everything I talk about in this video is in the description box below. So don't forget to hit that show more button to expand that box to find all that info. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or why not share it with someone else that you think may also enjoy this very simple shell border. So until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.